Hey, what's up everyone? Today I have a pretty cool install. It's a little warm today, but this is something that I've needed to do just to finally finish out all of my engine bay. Now this is the APR front radiator cooling plate. So pretty much it's very straightforward to install. You're gonna remove all the bolts up here on the front, as well as your headlight ones on each side. Simply slide it in underneath the bumper and reinstall it. So let's take a look at it here. Looks so nice. So definitely gonna complete all the carbon fiber look, and as you can see right now, this looks pretty bad. So let's get to it. And pretty easy install. Can't believe how much better it makes it look. And I did want to do the APR whenever I looked about 2 years back. They were all out of stock and everything just went from here to here, but I wanted a full plate. So wow, like I said, it's super simple install. Just take these out, slide it in, put it back. But hope you enjoyed this. Hope you enjoy taking a look here at the engine bay. Hey guys, it's another day here. So I wanted to show you kind of a little project. Whenever I did everything carbon fiber, it looked really good besides my air box. So what I did is I bought, I think it's a 1.5 millimeter sheet of carbon fiber. I'm gonna see how well it cuts, but pretty much looking just to make a spot right here. So I already have my template. Gonna put some holes here and basically transfer it over to the carbon fiber. So look how good this turned out here. I left it overhanging a little bit and then just kind of rounded off the edges here. Try to cover up more. Basically, it wasn't any point in cutting it directly with the box. So just give it a little bit more of a carbon fiber look. Turned out really nice. I mean, part was cheap. I think it was like 22 bucks. And supposedly it's real carbon fiber. It has a little bit of a different weave pattern on it, but overall it looks pretty cool. So hope you enjoyed this, and as always, happy driving and enjoy.